हेलो नमस्कार। खुश रहो बच्चों। आई एम डेवियन डॉक्टर शाहनवाज आलम, assistant professor of Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Umesh Chandra City, Jaipur. Today we discuss about most important concept of economics for manager or macroeconomics. Today topic is circular flow of income. The circular flow model demonstrates how money moves through society. Money flow from producer to worker as wages and flow back to the producer as payment to products. In short, as economy is an endless circular flow of money that that is the basic form of the models, but actual money flow are more complicated. Economists have added more factors to be better depict the complex modern economics. These factors are components of nation's gross national products or national income. For that reason, the model is also reflected as the circular flow of income. The circular flow of income demonstrated how money moves from the producer to household and back again in endless loop. The circular flow of income can be made more complex to include addition to the money supply like exports and leakage from money supply like imports. When all these factors are totally totaled, the result of nation gross domestic product or national income. The circular flow of income starts with the household sector that engage in the uh, consum- consumption spending and business sector that produce the goods. Two or more sectors should also be included in the circular flow of income. The government sector and foreign trade sectors. The government inject money into circle through government spending on programs such as social security and national park administration. Money also flow into the circle through exports, which bring in cash from foreign buyers. In addition, business that invest money to purchase capital stock contribute to the flow of money into the economy. Outflow of cash. Just money is injected into the economy, money is withdrawn or leaked through the various means, taxes imposed by the government reduce the flow of income. Money paid to foreign company for import also constitute a leakage. Saving by business that otherwise would have been put the use to decrease the circular flow of an economic income. A government calculates its gross national income by tracking all of these injections into the circular flow of income and withdraw from it. The circular flow of income for a nation is said to be a government calculates its gross national income by tracking all of these injections to the circular flow of income and withdraw from it. The circular flow of income for a nation is said to be balanced when withdraw equal injection, that is the level of injections of the sum government and export the X and investment I. The level of leakage or withdrawal is the sum of taxations, imports, and savings. When G plus X plus I is greater than T M S, the level of national income GDP will increase. When the total leakage is greater than the total injection into the circular flow, national income will be decreased. In businesses decided to produce less, it would be lead to reduction in the household spending and cause the decrease in GDP. If the household decided to spend less, it lead to reduction in business production, also causing the decrease in GDP. GDP is calculated as consumer spending plus the government spending plus business spending. Sum the export minus imports. Thank you.